Good afternoon, students. How are you, everybody? Welcome to everyone in my online class. This is MD Abdul Kader Bhuyan, assistant teacher, Abdullapur Haji Amir High School, Devidar, Kumilla. Dear students, you know that for long days our school class or all classes of the institutions all over the world are closed because of Corona, COVID-19. By the present government of Bangladesh, the education authority have taken a good step to start online class by the teachers all over Bangladesh. According to this rule, Abdullapur Haji Amir High School is going to start first their classes online. Now, as a teacher of English, Abdullapur Haji Amir High School, I am going to start my class 9, subject English second paper, unit 13. This is narration. My topic is about narration. Firstly, I have to tell what is narration. Narration is speaker's word is called narration. There are two kinds of narration. Direct narration and indirect narration. I have given two examples here. You are following. Direct narration. Tina said to Mita, "What class do you reading?" Indirect narration. Tina told Mina what class she reading. Here, speakers. Tina said to Mita, "What class do you reading?" Dear students, firstly you have to do this, to solve this question. Firstly you have to take Tina as a subject, and secondly told, thirdly as the object Mina, then connectors what class, then subject, then you will follow repeating verb object Mita. It will turn into she as it is second person. So she, we have to bring here she, read in. We know that there are two parts in a narration, repeating verb and repeated speech. So we have to know firstly comes repeating verb, secondly comes repeated speech. Tina told Mina, then repeated speech. It is called reporting verb. Reported speech. Dear students, I am giving another examples. Everyone put down this example in your papers and try to solve it. goes to school. Dear students, it is reporting verb, then reported speech. We have to change it into indirect narration. Everyone try to solve this direct narration into indirect narration. Dear students, follow me. Firstly, we have to set or bring subject of the reporting verb. Then we have to set, instead of set to, we have to bring told. Then object of the reporting verb. Then as a connector, we have to bring a connector that before the middle of the speech. Then we have to bring subject hatem. This is third person, so it will not be changed. So we have to bring it as subject of the speech. Hatem. When we have to change goes into when. If the speech is present indefinite, it have to be into past indefinite. Goes change into when. Then object. Dear students, have you written these sentences? Have you written the solution? Okay. She said to them, Hatem goes to school. She said into told them, that as a character. Hatem when to school. Okay, dear students. Dear students, you will bring homework. Next, you have to read at your home the next rules of the narrations. Thank you, everyone. See you again next class.